In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize your services on Acuity scheduling. This is a fantastic way to keep your offerings organized, making it easier for both you and your clients to navigate through them. Whether you're just setting up your Acuity scheduling account or looking to spruce up an existing one, categorization can really refine the booking experience. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Acuity scheduling website. This is your starting point toward a more organized scheduling system. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button usually found at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This action prompts you to provide your credentials. Proceed by entering your email address in the provided field. This should be the email you used to set up your Acuity account. After typing your email, click on the Next button to move forward. Now here's a little tip for those who integrated their Acuity account with Google. You can choose to continue with Google for a quicker login process. Simply click on Continue with Google and a selection of Google accounts will appear if you're logged into multiple accounts. Select the Google account associated with your Acuity scheduling service. Once you've successfully logged in, your next destination is the Appointment Types page. You can find a direct link to this in the description below, but it's also accessible from the main dashboard of your Acuity account. Look for a tab or section labeled Appointment Types. This is where all the magic happens. Upon arriving at the Appointment Types page, you'll see a list of services you offer. Click on the service you wish to categorize. If you haven't categorized your services before, this is where you'll start seeing the shape of your scheduling system changing for the better. Look for the option to create a new category. This should be visible on the same page where you edit the details of your service. The link or button might be discreet, so keep an eye out. Clicking this will bring up a field where you can type in the name of the new category you wish to create. This could be anything that represents a group of services you offer, such as consultations, classes, or therapies. Use names that are both descriptive and concise, making it easy for your clients to understand at a glance what each category entails. Once you've typed in your desired category name, all that's left to do is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which typically is at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. Clicking on Save will officially create your new category and link the selected service to it. This action marks a significant step towards an organized and efficient booking system. But don't stop there. Go back to your list of services and continue the process of categorizing them. Remember, the goal is to make it as easy as possible for your clients to find and book the services they're interested in. As you categorize your services, consider the client journey. Think about how your clients seek out your services and group them in ways that align with this perspective. You don't need to get it perfect from the get-go, as Acuity scheduling allows you to make changes and adjustments as needed. Feel free to experiment with different categorizations to see what works best for your business and your clientele. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating categories for your services on Acuity scheduling. By following these steps, you'll not only improve the aesthetics of your booking page, but also enhance the user experience for your clients. An organized scheduling system speaks volumes about your professionalism and can significantly impact your business's success. Feel free to replay this video if you need a refresher on any of the steps we've covered today. Remember, taking the time to categorize your services can make a world of difference in how clients interact with your booking system. Happy organizing, and here's to a more streamlined and effective scheduling system with Acuity scheduling.